Hello dear viewers, chemistry elements of construct EOCs which link the curriculum to the assessment areas. EOCs are integrated competencies, that is, skills, abilities and behaviors and learning outcomes that a learner is expected to achieve by the end of the learning cycle. EOCs help students overcome various challenges in the VUCA world, which is volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous. There are 5 elements of construct. The first 4 are assessed in the chemistry theory paper 1, while the 5th is examined in chemistry practical paper 2 or 3 for some candidates. Please enjoy the video and put your questions, comments and suggestions in the comment sections below. Consider supporting us by liking, subscribing, sharing and allowing notifications for upcoming good teaching and learning materials. The first EOC, the learner appreciates the contribution of chemistry to our economy. For essay type items 3 or 4 in section B paper 1. It examines 2 categories of topics. 1. The manufacture of substances like fertilizers and detergents. 2. The extraction of elements like copper, iron and aluminium among others. The pictures attached show some of the uses of the mentioned elements. The relevant points a learner must include and their scores include raw materials, vessels, physical and chemical processes, conversion to the desired products, purification and coherence, and side effects, identified, explained and mitigated, and social benefits, mentioned with their impact and effect. EOC 2. The learner appreciates the application of chemistry in daily life. It is for item 1 section A paper 1 and is a short answer filling section. It is so far the broadest with 4 categories of topics. 1. Food additives like flavors and preservatives, drugs and medicines such as analgesics and antibiotics and herbal medicine, nuclear processes such as nuclear fusion and fusion, detergents which are either soapy or soapless. The pictures attached demonstrate some of the applications of different topics. The relevant points a learner must include and their scores include category, function, side effects, identified, explained and mitigated, and evaluation of similarities and differences. EOC 3. The learner appreciates the diversity and interaction of substances and their importance in life. For item 2 in part 1 section A, paper 1. EOC 3 has 1 category of topics as shown above, which include compound and mixtures, the periodic table and the reactivity series. The relevant points a learner must include and their scores are category, properties, uses, and last but not least, impact on the environment and the possible mitigation as shown. EOC 4. The learner appreciates the existence of natural resources in the environment and their importance in everyday life. For items 5 or 6, part 2 section B, paper 1. An essay item. EOC 4 has 1 category of topics as shown above, which includes air, water, rocks and minerals, carbon-based fuels and fossil fuels, among others. The pictures attached show some of the rocks and minerals in our places. The relevant points a learner must include and the relevant scores include category, components, composition, impact on the environment, how the impact occurs and possible mitigations, and last but not least, the benefit as shown. Alright, our favorite, the practical bit, EOC 5. The learner understands that chemistry is a process of evidence-based inquiry involving the collection of evidence and the development of theories that help us explain that evidence. That is, science process skills. For chemistry practical papers 2 or 3 for some learners. EOC 5 has a number of topics: rates of chemical reactions, energy changes during chemical reactions, formula, stoichiometry and mole concept, the reactivity series, solubility of salts, soapy and soapless detergents and hard water. The pictures shown show some experiments and hope you improve your practical skills. The relevant points a learner must include and their scores include aim of the experiment, variables which are independent, dependent or controlled, hypothesis, procedures, risks and mitigations, presentation and recording of data, data analysis and interpretation, and lastly, conclusion.
Be prepared for scenarios.
Thank you so much once again, our dear viewers. In this video, we have clarified the EOCs in chemistry papers. Please put your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. Thanks for supporting us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and allowing notifications for greater teaching and learning material coming up soon on our channel. Have a good time.